Good morning from the Alps. This view, wow, this is where we're going to be arriving today. So it is the morning of the Gran Fondo Valais, and just kind of chat to you before I head off, and I'm just going to show you now the actual route where we're going. So we've got the Ultra Fondo, which is insane. That is 220k, 7,400 meters. I ain't doing that one. And I'm doing the Gran Fondo. There's also a short one which is 50k, 2,200 meters. But mine is 130k, 4,500 meters. Fair bit of climbing. But I mean, look at that. So I'm with Anthony from Kudos Cycling. So just seeing how you're feeling really before we set off.
Can't wait, really excited. Should be a fantastic event, amazing weather. And
pretty nice.
Not too many people, so that's really nice.
And what is it like for it being like the first event here then? Because you've been like part of that, getting, you know, people here and taking part.
Well, it's just great to see so many friends here. I think it's well supported, and the organisers have done a great job considering it's the first one. Absolutely, yeah. Right, well, I'll see you on the route. Well, I'll see you at the end. Have fun! Pretty steady and steep. It's amazing, the view, obviously. Well, we are about 50k in and about 1,500 meters climb, so it's been pretty hilly and just loving it, absolutely loving it. The views, there's people cheering us, it's just amazing. Right, we're at about 67k and about 1,900 meters, and it's 30 degrees already. I think it's about midday, maybe 1 o'clock. Had a little bit of food, and then now we're gonna go up this beast. Look at it. Looks pretty steep. Look, like there's just, I can't even describe the views. It's just, I had to just stop here. There's just so many trees and just so many pretty views. Like, this is why I love riding my bike. This is why I love doing this kind of sportive, because you just get taken on the best routes. This is just amazing. I'm just so happy. Little update for you. This is hard. Give me some downhill. Give me some downhill. I love the hills. I love the mountains, but God. Hello, hello. There is 30k to go, and normally on a ride, when there's 30k to go, you're like, wow, we're nearly done. But that 30k involves a 16k climb, so it is relentless. It's good if you want a challenge. It's so good, but it's so hard. And much needed later. Definitely need to lie down from that. Pooped. I'm so pooped. Just a 16k climb to go. Now that is a view. Bloody hell. Look at it. And this is the final climb, 15k, 7.5% and 1100 meters to climb. Let's go. I'm just sat at the side of the road and that is my view. I kind of just want to take a little second just to have a little chat really. I know from looking at my Strava when I upload one of these rides, whether it's an Audax or just like a longer ride or one that's got quite a lot of elevation, everyone's just like, oh my god, you're a beast, oh my god, you're just amazing, oh my god, I wish I could do that amount, like how do you do it? And I don't want you to get the wrong impression, and I appreciate those comments, it's really kind, I know you're being really kind, but I struggle. I don't always find every single ride easy. Like today I'm literally sat at the side of the road up this last climb because I'm just so pooped, and I just kind of wanted to share that because I do generally just share all the nice stuff because that is nice, but equally I like sharing when struggling a bit, and sometimes that doesn't always come very easily because that's the last thing you kind of want to do is whip out a camera when you're ready for tossing your bike over the edge of a cliff. And it does happen, I feel like that sometimes. I get really angry and I'm like, not angry, but I get like, oh, why am I doing this? This is so hard. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in there just so next time you're feeling like that, we all feel like it. Oh, equally. So I've just stuffed a load of apricots in my mouth. But I want to remind you, one tip that I always do when I've got quite a long climb, so if you're wanting to do longer climbs, I always, obviously you break it up into sections in my head, but so for me, because there's 12k left, my favourite level of climb is Duff Stones, as you know, or if you don't know, it's like a 6k climb. So like for that I always think, oh, it's just 2 more dovies, and that's how I count it down in my head. So like for the past, it was like when I was looking at how many meters there were left, when there was like 1,000 left, I was like, oh, that's just like 3 more dovies. It's just 3 dovies, I could do 3 dovies easily. So, like, think of a climb that you do and then break it down into that. So, if you want to do like a 5k climb, and I don't know, you do one that's 2, just think, oh, it's just 2 and a bit of them, just 2 and a bit of them. So yeah, that's my little tip. If that helps, let me know. Hopefully it does. Helps me anyway. Like then when I was like, it's 12k. I was like, oh, it's just 2 more dovies. I do that on training rides. I feel better now I've spoken to you. That sounds weird saying that to a camera, but I just know, like, I imagine you all there, like I imagine what you'd be saying, and I love it. I'm at the top of the last climb. I'm actually a little bit further down. I've come down the other side of it, but oh my god, I'm so happy. And look at the view, the view, the view, the view. So excited. I was ready to be like done with the climbing. Look how cool that is. Verbier. That is where I am now. And we've got a descent down there. Can you see it down there? All downhill now, I think, so steady roll down, and I'm just so happy, so happy. I had a bit of a spurt actually when I sat down, and then I had some of those apricots. I felt so much better, just like powered it up, so feeling really good now. So off we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Bravo, félicitations.
Thank you. So that is the end of that, and I got my medal! Woo, woo, woo! Wow, absolutely incredible. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Well done, little bike. Well done, bike. Now, time for food.
Right, this is so cheesy and it's gonna look ridiculous, but... Ah! Oops! that did not work how I wanted it to. Oh! I basically kicked my bike. My bike's at the bottom of the bed. Oh my god, I can't wait till you see this view from where I'm staying. They have pulled it out the bag. I don't know who has chosen this room for me, but wait till you see this. Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I mean, that is from my room. Can you even just, I can't even comprehend, not the car park, but mountain view room. Trees, mountains, they are my favourite. They have been incredible views. I just feel so happy and so lucky to be here.